This rotating wall-mount spice rack doesn't just store, it does so much more. Equipped with a user-friendly rotating mechanism, space-saving wall-mount design, and transparent spice containers, Spice Swirl becomes a companion in your quest for effortless cooking. Whether you're preparing daily meals, experimenting with new recipes, or simply maintaining an organized kitchen, Spice Swirl Mount Mate is the culinary maestro of your spice-infused symphony, offering efficiency in every swirl. It's not just a spice rack, it's a symphony of culinary convenience. Versatility is Spice Swirl's virtue. It doesn't just confine itself to one type of spice, it adapts to your diverse culinary needs. The transparent containers ensure that you can easily identify and access different spices, and the rotating mechanism allows for convenient spice selection without rummaging through cluttered cabinets. Spice Swirl Mount Mate is a versatile marvel that reinvents the art of spice organization. It's not just a rotating spice rack, it's an avant-garde solution to your culinary versatility. Operation is a breeze with Spice Swirl Mount Mate. No need for extensive searching or juggling multiple spice containers. The rotating design ensures easy access, and the wall mount feature frees up valuable counter or cabinet space, making Spice Swirl Mount Mate a reliable culinary maestro for your daily cooking tasks. It's not just a spice rack, it's an easy upgrade to a world of efficient and organized culinary adventures. Spice Swirl Mount Mate doesn't just prioritize efficiency, it prioritizes longevity. Crafted from high-quality materials, it withstands the demands of regular use and varying storage conditions. The rotating mechanism and sturdy wall mount construction maintain their effectiveness over time, ensuring that your Spice Swirl rack remains a trustworthy and durable choice for the long run. It's not just a spice rack, it's a durable investment in the efficiency and organization of your kitchen. Now, let's talk about the experience. Spice Swirl Mount Mate isn't just a rotating wall mount spice rack, it's a sensory delight. The convenience of a rotating design, the versatility in spice storage, and the overall enhancement of your kitchen routine, it's a symphony of modern culinary convenience. The experience isn't just about organizing spices, it's about turning every cooking task into a harmonious blend of efficiency and organization. Thanks for watching. Remember to leave a like.